Hi, y'all. It's been quite a while since I've interacted with you all on this platform. To be completely honest, I really kind of chickened out while using this YouTube page. It was definitely a medium for me to express my creativity and also share it with you guys. Unfortunately, somewhere along the way, I let my insecurity and anxiety win. Now that I'm grown and way more confident and comfortable in my own skin, I truly feel it's time for my return. This time around, I want to share more than just fashion tips, which is, what a lot of you, actually all of you guys originally followed me for. This time, I actually really want to share my true passion, which is cooking. I want to sincerely thank each and every one of you all for sticking with me. So with that, cheers to learning together and to new beginnings. Thanks, guys. Bye.